موارد فاينانس فالك طيب.
In today's fast-moving world, merchants need more than just a payment app. They need a smart business partner. Introducing AFS Pro, the world's first merchant super app built to simplify every payment. Now you can accept payments anytime and anywhere with your smartphone. Get instant access to AFS prepaid and credit cards with a click of a button. Effortless digital onboarding, powered by advanced AI agents that simplify verification and compliance. Track, manage, and grow with real-time insights and powerful MIS reports. Unlock new opportunities through our exclusive B2B marketplace. AFS Pro, powering the future of payments. Introduced to you by Arab Financial Services and Mawarid Finance.
Good morning, everyone. I want to start by thanking Rashid, my dear friend here, for making this happen. April this year, he did the first fintech event. At that point, we just started business in the UAE, and I had 6 employees here in the UAE. Today, he's doing it for the second time, maybe some more audience to the event, and AFS now have got 51 employees in Dubai and more than 4,000 clients. So this success is only based on one thing: trust. The trade that we are in is a trust trade. Partners trust you, people trust you, and this is how we grow together. Now, let me start by telling you a little bit about who we are. We are the payment platform that empowers digital transaction transformation across Middle East and Africa. We operate across 60 countries. We operate across 20 countries with more than 60 clients. And our clients are traditionally banks. Recently, we went into the acquiring business, and when we thought about the acquiring business, we thought about giving a seamless experience to our customers across multiple geographies, not in one place. So today, all our value proposition comes on serving you in multiple markets. We started with Bahrain, went to Oman, then Egypt, then here in the UAE. Now we have 600 professionals across these geographies supporting 20 countries, and yet more to come over the coming years. We are owned by 36 banks and financial institutions across the Arab world, and we are backed and raised $150 million 3 years ago to continue investment in technology. I'm pleased to say that some of the partnerships that we have developed over the years yielded a lot of benefit. But one partnership here in the UAE, in less than a year, yielded 3 new innovations. Rashid spoke to us about the first Jiwan real card in the market. There are lots of announcements of Jiwan signing, but there is only one Jiwan card issued, which is from Mawarid Finance. I'm pleased to say that this is built on a platform that is developed by AFS resources, and it's sitting on the cloud here in the UAE. The platform is both cloud-enabled and could sit on-prem, because some regulators will allow you to put your data on the cloud, and some regulators will want it on soil. Like in Egypt, we have our data centers, and we deploy the same technology on soil. AFS Pro is a real pride. It's the first of its kind globally. No one else have got it. Everyone here can download, and you have the advantage of being the first to download and test it and give us feedback. It's called AFS Pro. You can digitally onboard yourself. We have AI agents on the back end that does your CDD or customer due diligence and sanction screening and all the required efforts, and yet more to come. Our objective is to make the customer experience easy and simple. The last one and the most important one is how to enable transactions to be done. Our merchants, any merchant in the market, have one objective. I asked this question before in a lot of events, and I want to remind you, what would be the objective of a merchant? What does he want to do? Why does a merchant open? Does anyone have an idea? Any guess? More business? Any other opinion? Make money, of course. Selling. He wants to do a transaction. He doesn't care if it's cash, if it's card, if it's Ani, if it's Jiwan, or if it's Visa. He wants to do the trade. He doesn't care how. So we have built a capability to enable our merchants to do trade, not only do trade. Together with Mawarid Finance, we'll enable these merchants to take a bridge funding to be able to fund their business. And if they don't want a bank account, we can settle them immediately on their prepaid card. All of this would have never happened without the support of Mawarid Finance. And thank you, Rashid, for being there for us and supporting us on this. 3 years ago, all the fintechs struggled with one thing, which is a BIN sponsor. And Rashid gave us the platform today. It's a courage, it's a brave thing to do, and it's a lot of effort that you're doing here. And I know in the future people will remember that you changed the lives of most of the fintechs in this market. And I wanted also to make sure that we don't wait for the future. As an organization, we have built our open banking hub. That was 3 years ago. And we integrated it with the banks. That was 3 years ago. And now we are starting more use cases. It's an investment that we have to do. And we will continue to do that. We have a roadmap for our AI implementation of 18 use cases that will be delivered to serve our customers across Middle East and Africa. I think I don't want to take long, but I just want to leave you with 3 things. We are in the trade of trust and partnership, and this is quite critical in any business. And for us, for any business or any fintech to succeed, you need to focus on innovation, continue to innovate, find something that improves the customer experience one step. It will lead to much more success. And most importantly, collaborate. Don't be protective about your IP and about your know-how. Partner with others, collaborate. Because believe me, it's the only way for growth and to meet the future challenges, to defeat the future challenges. And with this, I want to thank you and give time back to my friend Rashid to talk about more and more things to happen. Thank you.